Hi everyone. Today I thought we'd go over the sound library and just kind of explore all of the things that the sound library has to offer, how you use it, and how you're able to download new sounds, new loop stations, and then how you can find those sounds. Okay? So we'll need to start from the live loops, and we're looking to click on this particular button. Again, if you can't find your way to this, if you're on a screen that looks like this, all you'll do is click the plus button. If you're on a screen that looks like this, or something similar, you're on an instrument or you're on some sort of a loop station, you'll want to first go up and click that piece of paper. Then you're back on this screen where you can then click the plus button. And you're ready to click on the sound library. Now, before I click on that, I will go ahead and show you one of the things that can be downloaded through the sound library. You'll notice that I have a whole lot of loop stations over here on the live loops. And that's because I've downloaded so many from the sound library. So let's get into it. Okay? What I would recommend looking is once you get to this screen, you're really looking for things that you can use on your iPad to create your own music. The stuff down here, it's some good information and things, but it's not always things that you're going to be able to use. It's more like these are what you can learn from, okay? There might be a few actual songs that you're able to look at, things like that. But I would encourage you to check out the sound packs. Now, I'm going to go ahead and press see all so that we can see all of them, okay? Now, some of these that you'll see I've already downloaded. The majority of the ones that have downloaded, like this, are loop stations that I already have. Okay? I don't know that there's any new loop stations that I don't have on my iPad. Okay? A quick note as I'm looking through it, you won't want to click on this one because that's just a free trial, and we don't want to mess with any sort of like a free trial thing. So please, please, please do not click on Logic Pro. It ends up, we'll ask you for money, and we don't have any of that, okay? This hip hop pack, this one might be something that would go down as a loop station. The majority of the ones that you'll see, like Prismatica, for instance, on your iPad probably has that as a loop station. That would be where you can find the new loop stations here. So you can see Prismatica, this one and this one. Okay, and by the way, those are two of my favorites, so highly recommend checking that out. Now, other sounds aren't loop station sounds. They add to the kinds of keyboards and guitars and basses that you can use. For instance, this drummer pack, this is going to be something in the artificial intelligence drummer. Not the actual drums, but the drummer, okay? This reggaeton pop pack, I'm betting that's a loop station. You'll see another drummer pack here. Here's a keyboard collection, which has a whole lot of new keyboard sounds. So you kind of have to pay attention to what it is that you're downloading so that you can go and find that. Modern ambient pack, maybe another loop station. Okay? When you're ready to download something, see in here it says Alchemy Synth Sounds and another 140 Apple loops. So that tells you what you're getting down here where it says content. And then you can read the description if you would like. When you're ready to get it, all you have to do is press get and it will download. Most of them are fairly quick downloads. Some of them take a little while. This one looks like it's going to be just a minute. And you'll wait for it to go around and then you can start exploring all of the new sounds. So for today, I'd like to just have you take some time to look at the different sound packs on the sound library. And I suppose if you want to just download all of them, you probably could. You might spend a little bit of time waiting to download, so make sure that you're ready to, be patient and not be super loud and disruptive while you're waiting, right? But feel free to go ahead and download as many of them as you can, but I'd like you to spend some time today checking them out and kind of exploring all of the different sounds that you maybe don't have right now, but that once you download, you will have, okay? Part of that was just me talking to take up some time while this finishes downloading, because the more that I read about this, the more excited I am to see some of this. So we'll go through a quick demonstration here on this video before we kind of turn you loose and you can begin downloading on your own. And I suppose if you're not already kind of working through and maybe find one or two that you would like to download while this is going on, I would highly recommend that. So we back out of the sound library and then we go on the search. So let's see. I don't see any new sounds here, and that's okay. We know that there's new Apple loops. So what I'm going to do is go in to click new, right? Brand new loop station. We should know how to do this by now. We'll go up to the Apple loops, and so that I can find what I just downloaded, see here it says alpha waves. Okay, I'm going to look for that same thing that I just downloaded. Let's see if we can find that. In fact, let's see. We're going to pop back on here. Sound library. And we were looking at Alpha Waves Modern Ambient Pack. So we're looking for Alpha Waves. I'll try to remember that this time. Okay. So here we have where it says Alpha Waves. So I'm going to actually just type into the search Alpha Waves. Click search. We'll see what comes up. Oh, I was hoping that would work. Okay. So we want to go Alpha Waves. And I'm going to get rid of this search, and there they all are. So that's a way that you can go through, and if they don't come up as an actual loop station, then you can sometimes filter by clicking on the filter button, clicking on the sound packs, and then look through and find the sound pack that you wanted to check out. Okay? So we'll just throw a couple on here just to kind of see how they sound. I have no idea what these are going to sound like, so we'll just put a couple together. Maybe find something if there's any sort of a drum sort of a thing. Dark Sparks, that should be fun. Let's see what that sounds like. It looks like they're all Alchemy synths, so all some kind of keyboard. Reverse beta waves, popping plucks. Okay, so let's check out some of these just for fun. Well, that was somewhat anticlimactic. I was hoping for something a little bit different. Okay. That's kind of cool. And that's pretty hip. So out of those, for me, I'd probably keep the bottom two. Probably delete the other two, and so on and so forth. But that's kind of how you can go through and explore some of the Apple loops. If it says that it's a particular, like a keyboard sound, you would have to go into your actual keyboard to find that sound. Okay? So take some time today, explore the sound library, explore the options that are out there, and just play around, see what you come up with. Like I just did. There's a couple of the sounds that I wasn't really a big fan of, and a couple of them that I really liked. So just take some time to explore and broaden your horizons, as it were, to all that your Garageband has to offer that perhaps you don't have right now, but soon will. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy kind of taking a deep dive into some of the other sounds that Garageband has to offer.